Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back today, and I got a new box for my birthday. So let's open it up. So I'm gonna open packs with my sister. My sister, she's gonna open one pack though. Boom. So today we're opening 1920 Panini Mosaic. There's 10 mega box exclusive, and we're looking for a reactive blue with maybe Zion, Luka, or Giannis. And there's 8 cards per pack and 10 packs per box. Stop it. Let's go. Let's start. Okay. So first pack is going to be for my sister. She's just gonna tell you guys the cards.
What?
Yeah. Go. Okay. So go, Shub.
So the first pack,
Make sure it just.
yeah,
And
Is-
peel it off. Get the card.
Drain
It's Dwayne Wade, Team USA. Inserts. Next is rookie card, Goga Bitadze. Next
Jordan.
is Jordan Poole and NBA debut.
Oh, this one looks cool.
Oh, next is Will to Win, Kyrie Irving.
And that's it.
And then there's another. Oh, it's a Steph Curry, red and blue, Team USA.
And the next one.
Wait, I'm just gonna check. It
Bam.
should be.
What happened? Oh.
No, go away.
Okay, I'll just.
Oh, you can be careful. Show
This Curry is Team
I know,
USA. John Collins. So we have John Collins, Atlanta Hawks, just a regular card, and then Bam Adebayo, and then a Danny Green. That's for the first pack. We got a really good Curry though. That's a good one. Next pack. This one's kind of thick though. Although this box doesn't have sure autograph, but you know, this pack's kind of thick. I don't know, bro. First is an Eric Bledsoe. Next is Royce O'Neal. Okay, go at the back. And Myron Scotchford, rookie card. And then Hall of Fame Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And then rookie card of Eric Pascal. And then Paul George from the Clippers. And then let's get the first one. It's a Dorian Finney-Smith. And the next is a Kawhi Leonard, Will to Win. It's kind of nice. It's like, I think it's different than the other Kyrie. So maybe that's like an insert or like more special. Next pack. Oh, this is also thick. Actually, I don't know now. Maybe all the cards, all the packs are kind of, you know, thick. First is a Kevin Huerter card. And next is a Julius Randle. Next is Josh Richardson, but then there's a what do you call that? Insert. We got Cam Reddish rookie card. That's kind of nice. And then Hall of Fame Pete Maravich. And then Cameron Johnson. Okay, time for the inserts, you know. First is a Landry Shamet from the Los Angeles Clippers. Next is Masters DeMar DeRozan, Jam Masters. Nice. So far we don't have any Luka or Giannis yet, but I think maybe in a while we're gonna get one. At least one.
Maybe a Zion.
Yeah, maybe a Zion. If we get the Zion, that would be cool. Next, we have a Damian Jones. What? He's in the Hawks? But I thought he was at the Lakers. I meant the Warriors. Then Frank Nitlicka, and Paul Millsap. Then after that, that's the what do you call that? Insert. So Cody Martin, rookie card, and then Ja Morant, NBA debut. Nice. And then Kyle Guy, rookie card. And for the first insert, Taco Fall, rookie card. Nice. And next from Milwaukee Bucks though. It's Brook Lopez. Nice. Okay, and just a few more packs to go. A few more packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 more. I'll get the last.
Wait lang.
You can see my dad over there. And, Okay. So next pack, Kristaps Porzingis. Nice. And then Marcus Smart. And Colin Sexton, but then the next is an insert. Hall of Fame Larry Bird. Nice. Kevin Porter Jr. rookie card. And then Karl Malone USA basketball. And for the first insert, oh my gosh, Zion Williamson NBA debut. Oh my gosh, this is a good. Oh my gosh. Okay, get the sleeves. Nice. Oh, that is the wrong sleeves.
Okay.
It's thick. And then the next one, another good player, bro. This is the best. Cam Reddish. So we have 3 NBA debuts that are good players. Cam Reddish, Zion Williamson, and Ja Morant. Bro, this is over. I'm already kind of happy. You know what I mean? We got a Zion who we're looking for, bro. This is crazy. You know what I mean? Okay, next is Cody Zeller, and then Trey Young. Okay, nice. And then Enes Kanter, and then next is probably the insert official Kendrick Nunn, not bad. NBA debut, and then Cringer Weatherspoon rookie card. And then Hall of Fame Patrick Ewing. Okay, for the first one, it's Hamalo Diallo. And then for the next, it's Give and Go Malcolm Brogdon. Nice. I kind of like Malcolm Brogdon because he was with my favorite
So, baba ka na.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. It's like it's Antetokounmpo.
Yeah. I'll follow na
Next,
yung finish.
first is
Oh,
Nemanja
Oh,
Bjelica.
knock off the TV first.
And then next is LeBron James. LeBron. Okay. Then Rajon Rondo, but then after is the insert. Okay. And then we got the Kai Bowman on the Warriors rookie card. Magic Johnson. And then Luke. We got the wrong Luka. We got the Lucas Samanic from the Spurs. So next up for the insert is a KZ Okpala. And then next is a got game Ben Simmons. Okay, so last 3 and then this is the 2 second. So now it's just
This is
2.
different.
Yeah, that's different from the Kyrie. first we got Dylan Brooks, and then Daniel House Jr., and then, oh yeah, I forgot, Malik Monk, and then it's the insert, but I basically already know it. NBA debut Cam Reddish again. Nasir Little, I thought it was Pascal Siakam. And next, oh, MVPs Giannis Antetokounmpo. Let's go. I told you we were gonna get one. And next is Brian Forbes. And then Amari Stoudemire old school. So last two and basically now one. So we got Giannis, but still no signs of Luka. Well, I'm gonna ask my friend there, Kristaps, to ask Luka to come out now. First is an Aaron Gordon, and then Serge Ibaka, and George Hill, and then after is the inserts, and then an Ignas Brzezikis, and then an NBA debut Brandon Clark, and then a Keldon Johnson rookie card, and then for the first one is a Contavious Caldwell Pope, and then for the second, oh, let's go! Will to win, Luka Doncic. Boom! I'm so happy now. So we got Giannis and Luka now. Right when I said to ask Kristaps to let Luka come out, that's when Luka came out. Really, bro? Maybe they really were talking to me. Next is a Kyrie Irving, and then Alonzo Ball, and PJ Tucker, and then after it's the, Oscar Robertson, Hall of Fame, Terrence Mann, rookie card, and then Kobe White, NBA debut. And for the last pack, the insert is Jeremy Lamb and Gary Harris.
Where's the Luka?
Luka's here. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye.